What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Nokia has always made some impressive accessories to go along with their smartphones, and today we have not one but two brand new Nokia Play 360 Bluetooth speakers ready to be reviewed. So without further ado, let's get to it. Released back in 2012, the Play 360s were originally intended to be paired with one of Nokia's swan song Symbian devices like the 808 or C7, or with one of their hot new Windows phones like the Lumia 800. In fact, you could actually get one of these speakers bundled with a Lumia 800 and a pair of Nokia Purity HD headphones. I wasn't able to find an exact MSRP for these speakers, but if I recall correctly, it seems like they were around $150 each. The packaging here is very nice. I really love Nokia's blue and white packaging from this era. The instructions for how to use the speaker are printed on the flap here. And here, front and center, is the speaker itself, which we'll set to the side for the moment. And underneath it is the accessory box. Inside this little box, we've got a micro USB AC adapter for charging, a 3.5mm cable in case your device doesn't have Bluetooth, and this here is a neoprene sleeve for you to keep your speaker in when it's not in use. Trimmed in blue stitching and feels very well made. And finally, we've got a manual and warranty paperwork. Looks are subjective, but I think the speaker looks great. The base is a durable matte polycarbonate, while most of the sides are anodized aluminum. The top is where most of the sound comes from, and that's covered by a piece of fabric. Around back, we've got a 3.5mm input, micro USB for charging, and the power button. There's also an air vent on the side, which is designed to help with bass, and it actually moves a surprising amount of air. One of these speakers is great, but the magic starts when you've got two of them. Press and hold the power button on the back for 5 seconds, and each speaker will enter this sonar pairing process where they'll connect to each other.
Left channel, right channel.
Once this is completed, one speaker outputs the left channel and the other the right, for true stereo sound. Then just pair your phone with the left channel speaker using NFC, and you're off to the races. If you have a modern phone with a Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset, these speakers support apt-x for top-notch audio quality over Bluetooth. Sound quality is definitely their strong point here. They don't distort at loud volumes, and the bass is nice and punchy despite the speakers not being physically very large. And having two makes filling a room very easy. Battery life is listed at 20 hours, and while I'm not going to be testing that, I can vouch for the fact that they last a long time on a single charge. While these aren't sold new anymore, if you can find a decent set on eBay like I did, I definitely recommend snapping them up if the price is right. They're a beautiful and functional piece of Nokia's history that can hold their own against modern alternatives. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, hit like, get subscribed, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.